Want to start designing with Figma? Before you can create designs, prototypes, or collaborate with others, you'll need to create a Figma account. The good news is that the process is quick and completely free to get started. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create a Figma account in 2026. So let's get started. First, open your preferred web browser and go to the official Figma website. Once the homepage loads, click the Sign Up or Get Started for Free button. You can also install the Figma desktop app later if you prefer working outside your browser. Now enter your email address and create a secure password. Alternatively, you can sign up using your Google account if that option is available. Yeah, using a strong password helps keep your account secure. If Figma asks you to verify your email address, open your inbox and click the verification link. Once your email has been confirmed, return to Figma to continue. Verification helps confirm that you own the email address. Next, follow the setup process by entering your name, selecting how you plan to use Figma, and answering any optional onboarding questions. Take a moment to choose the options that best match your needs. After finishing the setup, you'll arrive at your Figma dashboard. Click New Design File or create a draft to begin your first project. You can always organize your files into projects and teams later. Spend a few minutes exploring the toolbar, Layers panel, Assets, and Properties panel so you become familiar with the interface before starting your first design. So you've successfully created your Figma account, and that's how to create a Figma account. You're now ready to design user interfaces, build prototypes, create graphics, and collaborate with others using one of the most popular design platforms available. The more you explore Figma's tools and features, the faster you'll become comfortable creating professional quality designs. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.